Thanks for viewing the installation guide for the ZTE 5G Outdoor CPE MC7010. When you open the package, you will see the following items. There are two lists of installation tools for mounting the device to a pole or a wall. To install the ZTE 5G Outdoor CPE, perform the following steps. Insert the nano SIM card to the CPE with the chip facing downward and the notch facing inward. Then insert the end of the flat network cable that has a cover into the CPE. Push the cover up and fix it with the screw anti-theft removal wrench. Insert the other end of the cable into the WAN and power port on the power adapter. After the power adapter has been connected to the power supply and powered on, the indicator on the ZTE 5G Outdoor CPE will be turned on, indicating that the network cable has been connected and the CPE is powered on. You can use the ZTE Installer Helper app to find the location of the best signal quality. Open the app and touch Connect to Device and select MC7010. Enter the password and touch OK to manage the device. Move the device around the mounting wall, pole, or other positions while touching Detect Position to find the location with the optimal signal quality. Signal quality is indicated by 3 LEDs on the CPE, the UI on the app, and the beeping sound on your phone speaker. The ZTE 5G Outdoor CPE can be installed on a wall or pole, depending on the specific requirements for the location you have chosen. To install the CPE on a pole, use a screwdriver to loosen the clamp and release the buckle. Press the clamp through the U-shaped groove on the bracket to install the bracket on the pole. Adjust the clamp to the proper tightening position. Press the buckle. Use 4 M3 crosshead screws to install the backplane on the device. Firstly, hang the backplane to the installed bracket through the upper and lower slots. Secondly, move the device towards different angles for a better signal and use a screwdriver to lock the clamp. Finally, use 1 M3 crosshead screw to install the MC7010 on the bracket. To install the CPE on a wall, mark the positions for drilling holes on the wall. Firstly, use a 6mm percussion drill to drill holes at the marked positions. And install 4 6mm outer diameter expansion spigots. Secondly, place the bracket upwards like this. Use 4 M3.8 expansion bolts to fix the bracket to the wall. Use 4 M3 crosshead screws to install the backplane on the device. Fasten the backplane to the installed bracket through the upper and lower slots, and align the hole on the backplane with the hole on the bracket. Finally, use 1 M3 crosshead screw to install the MC7010 on the bracket. The CPE can also be installed on a steady wooden wall. After installation is complete, route the cable of one of the following ways based on the installation location. Use a standard network cable such as the one that came with the indoor router. Connect the indoor router to the LAN port of the power adapter. Make sure that the power adapter is correctly connected to the ZTE 5G Outdoor CPE and that the indicator of the CPE is steady on. Log on to the 5G CPE page. Ensure that the connection between your device and the PC router is correct. Launch the internet browser and enter the right address in the address bar. Enter the password to log on to the 5G CPE configuration page. You can then connect your devices to the indoor router via Wi-Fi or network cable to enjoy a blistering 5G connection at all times.